Hey y'all, Joe here, Magnolia Blade and Gun coming at you tonight. Hadn't done a video in a while and I apologize. I've got a lot of things to video to catch up with on my channel. But YouTube was doing some cracking down and really cracking down on smaller channels, especially gun and knife channels and stuff like that. So some of my videos got erased and all that stuff, so I kind of got disheartened. But anyway, I'm back now. This video is about some other gear that I like to collect, is flashlights. I'm a flashlight-aholic, I'll go ahead and tell you. Just recently I came across a brand of flashlights I like called Olight, okay? I just started buying them a couple months ago, and let me show you, first off, before I'm going to do an unboxing in this video, let me show you what I've gotten so far. Now, I wish I could unbox on this video, but I wouldn't do an unboxing videos on lights at the point. But I got the Olight R50 Pro Seeker. Maybe I can do some reviews on these. All right, this is the LE version, 3200 lumens. Really cool light. I got the M2R Warrior CU, the copper edition. I love their copper lights. Favorite. I got the Eternal CU limited edition. It's cool, another copper light. One of my favorite everyday carries is the i3T EOS copper edition. Got that bad boy. I got a few of these IR EOSs. They kind of throw those in when you make a bigger order. I got a PL2 RL BALDR. Anyway, this is a 1200 lumen weapons light. I believe it is, yes. And it's got the laser on the bottom. So that's really cool light. I've got that on my, I believe, which weapon do I have that on? I believe my FNX 45. I have got, I'll have to do a review on that for you guys too. The PL Mini Valkyrie, okay. And I have to do something on that. Okay, now, today, what I'm going to unbox for you guys is I've got the MIT, this radio right here, and this one is 500 to 300 lumens, okay? Really cool. This will probably be my new EDC. I think this will be nice, waterproof up to, you know, a pretty good depth, probably about 8 feet or something. Then I've got the S1 Mini Baton, okay? Another cool light. So and that's a 600 lumens light. So without further ado, let's just do an unboxing on the M1T Raider Compact EDC Tactical Light. It says mode 1, 500 to 300 lumens, mode 2, 5 lumens. And it is waterproof, IP-8, whatever that means, impact, throw. It's a really good light. Y'all come check this out. You know, this is one thing I've noticed about Olight. Now, I wish I did some more unboxing videos. The packaging is excellent. They really do a good job packaging. Also, they send you a bag, just like you went shopping in their store or something when you get a light from them. But let y'all zoom in down here a little bit. I see what's about with this particular one. You get your little tear tab right here. Okay. And there you go. First, it's going to tell you, read me first. It's saying there's a little something between the battery and the connections there that you're going to have to remove. Okay. Oh wow, that's awesome size. Look at that. Isn't that not cool? With the blue bezel right there, all like aircraft aluminum build. That's sweet. Got your push button right here in the back, tactile. I like that nice little pocket clip. That's awesome. Let's go ahead and open it up for you guys. Alright, and then you see that little piece there we're talking about removing. Okay, that, and the battery, this runs off of 1CR123. Okay, so that's a good news. Pretty common battery. Throws off a lot of power. Okay, so a lot of power of this little light right there. Wow, that was low mode, and then you got bright mode, and that is really, really bright. So yeah, this one right here is powered off a single CR123 A battery, equipped with a TIR optic lens. M1T provides a premium quality soft beam for reading, night light, high mode for self-defense, designed for body length that fits perfectly in the palm of your hand, maximizing contact and perfect grip. Dense double helix knurling pattern, strength of grip. It's got the tail switch right there for the momentary on or just on and off. Let's see, constant on and mode charging all through a single clicking switch. Mode changing through the single clicking switch. Alright, so that's really cool. And yeah, so cool that it comes with a battery and everything else, because a lot of times non-rechargeable lights won't come with a battery, so that's nice. M1T Raider, okay, that's what that is right there. Let's check out the other light we got, guys. We got the S1 Mini Baton 600 lumen deal. So just open it up. What's the read about it first? This is the smallest, most compact flashlight in the Olight best-selling Baton series. The tiny S1 Mini utilizes the Cree XM L2 LED that delivers a max output of 600 lumens. Comes with a rechargeable RCR123A battery with a micro USB port. Now that's huge on this one. You've got a rechargeable light here. Okay, so turbos 600 lumens, highs 330, medium 600, lows 15 to 1.5. And these things are supposed to be really military grade. I mean, you go to some of the other channels and they're beating on them, thrashing on them, running them over with tanks. Yeah, well, I'll just have to pay too much to do all that. Cool, you can see it comes with all the little paperwork right here. Comes with your lanyard, so to speak. It has a USB charger, which a little micro USB that hooks into where you charge it on the light. Here's actually light here on the whole other side. Oh, that's a cool little size right there. I mean, that's a little guy right there. That is neat. I like to charge these up before I mess with them, but for the sake of filming. Look, let's open this tail cap up and just let you see. So, yeah, it just comes off. You take that, boom, it's ready to go. That is neat. Oh, cool, look at that battery. You actually put your USB into the battery itself to charge. So I guess you take it out and charge it outside the flashlight. I wonder if that'll work on the other flashlight. That is neat. So it's actually a rechargeable battery in itself. That screw in there right. Oh, I'm going the wrong way with it. Oh. Kind of hard doing this stuff, trying to watch the camera, seeing everything you're doing. So got that on there. That's neat. There's your switch right there. Go through your modes. That's awesome. That's cool. This will be a definite little around the house or little EDC. I mean, that's a small little light and a small package and rechargeable. You can't beat that. That's really cool. Y'all love these Olights. Have to do some outdoor footage with them here next for y'all. But anyway, this is just a little unboxing for you. I wanted to show you what they're all about. I want to do some reviews. I'll space them out. Maybe I'll get this channel started up again. Do some more of the gun and knife reviews and stuff. On some of the cool stuff I got like this right here for Christmas. Yeah, that's pretty neat now. Okay. All right, well, thank y'all so much. And y'all be sure to check out Olight. Okay, I'll put a description or a link in the description box. Thank y'all so much. Y'all please like my video, sub my channel. God bless, and y'all take it easy.